Good evening, Hakology, and welcome to episode 100, believe it or not. 100 videos later, and 1,500 subscribers, 250,000 views. What can I say? I am absolutely mind blown. Thank you for your support, and thank you for all the comments. Thanks to all the community, everybody on IRC. Big up yourselves, you guys rock, but you know this. So nevertheless, let's get into the episode. Tonight's video we're going to be looking at Terminal, and we're going to be using a program called Toilet. I'll show you what it does. It's for generating ASCII art in the Terminal window. You can do some really cool Terminal mods. I'll show you how to get your ASCII art on, and let's go do some Linux toilet stuff.
Right, good evening Hakology, and welcome to the tutorial for tonight. Tonight's episode we're going to be having a look at Toilet for Linux. Toilet is an ASCII art program that you can pass variables into, and it will convert it into nice ASCII art for you. So hopefully you'll be able to see my terminal at the moment. You can see that it says hacks, all your packets are belong to us. So I'm going to show you how to change your bash RC file to display some cool ASCII art, and I'm going to show you how Toilet works. So first thing you're going to want to do is install Toilet by using app-get toilet. Oh no, app-get install Toilet, and hit them with the password. So I've already got it installed, and if we just run the binary, you can see that we can type some stuff in, and it displays it out to the screen. So if we quit, you can also run toilet -h to see all the available options, and -- filter list to list all of the filters. If we just jump back to the help menu, as well as outputting the ASCII to the screen, we can output it to a HTML document, or we can export it to image format as well. So how do we get that to appear every time we load Terminal? Well, we add some lines to your bash RC file. So if you're in your home folder in Debian, just type nano or vi or whatever you prefer to use as your text editor, gedit, notepad. So type nano.bash rc, scroll right down to the bottom of the file, and we're going to add these two lines here. So what we're going to add is toilet-f, specify the font 1012, and then we're going to specify the metal filter, and we're going to render the word hacks to the screen. Then after Toilet's finished outputting the ASCII art to the screen, we're going to echo a string of text, all your packets all belong to us, and then we're going to echo a blank line before the terminal shell puts the default prefix on your command shell. Okay, so to save, Control X, save modified buffer, yes, and just press enter to save it back to bash.rc. And now if we launch a new window, you should see that your hacks, all your packets all belong to us, displays when you start Terminal every time. If you wish to change the font and stuff, that's all under the options, the preferences menu. There's quite a bit of stuff you can change with Xterm. I prefer the black and the green background, as it's not so harsh on your eyeballs. I hope you've enjoyed tonight's Linux toilet tutorial. For further information, you can type man toilet to find out all the available options for the program.
Also on this episode, I've got to send a shout out to the Super Powerless, as I noticed a post on Reddit regarding a British talent show that they'd attended, and I told them basically you know, I couldn't understand why they'd lower themselves to going on a bloody talent show on television, because we all know that television sucks. Yeah, not expecting really to get a message back. I got a message off one of the dudes from out of the band, who my son loves and knows word for word. If you don't know who the Super Powerless are, you should do a quick Google for Super Powerless It Crowd. I'll put a video down in the show notes. But yeah, big up the Super Powerless. Have fun hacking. You've been watching Hakology, and we'll be back with episode 101 really, really, really soon. Peace.